Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to share Instagram profile URL. We will start by opening the Instagram app and entering our profile. Next, we are going to look for the profile that we want to share and click on it. To share it, first we are going to click on the three upper dots and then on the Copy Profile URL option. Once we have the profile URL copied, we can go to the app we want and paste the link to share the profile URL. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.